From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI agents are quickly taking over. But what the heck are they? AI agents are essentially digital problem solvers, kind of like a digital employee. They can analyze data, make predictions, and even perform tasks. Think of them as assistants that can think, decide, and act on your behalf. AI agents are already a part of your daily life. Your voice assistant? That's an AI agent. Self-driving cars? That's an AI agent behind the wheel. Even recommendation algorithms on Netflix. Yep. AI is deciding your next binge. They can be reactive, like responding to your commands, or proactive, like learning from data and making decisions without the need for constant input. Now, here's where things get a little scary. There are autonomous AI agents that can operate with minimal human input, chaining tasks together, learning from feedback, and optimizing themselves. AI agents could create massive opportunities in industries ripe for disruption, such as healthcare, finance, and education. But they do bring challenges. How do we ensure they act ethically? What about job displacement? These are big questions we have to answer as AI evolves. Over time, we'll see more and more companies leveraging AI agents. They could be helping with customer service or exploring a system for fraud. Experts predict that AI agents will become even more specialized, proactive, and collaborate together. Imagine agent AIs not just following orders, but innovating alongside humans. The potential with this nascent technology is limitless. We could see agent AIs make human life easier and reshape industries. While there are concerns, one thing is certain: the future is autonomous. So, what do you think? Excited? Nervous? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, I appreciate your time.